Hello, beautiful people around the world. Today, we're going to have a new tutorial on how to hide the subscribers count. So, I've been looking for this for a couple of months and watching different tutorial about it, but uh, I think I've been searching it for 6 months already, and I couldn't understand some tutorials. So just today I stumbled on a channel who has a different way of finding on how to hide the subscriber count. So the purpose of it is I want to hide my subscribers count because some small YouTubers, when they see your channel that you are you're higher than them, tendency they would not subscribe you because they said, oh, she has higher subscriber than me, and me is just like the amount of my subscribers is just lower than her or him. So I would not subscribe him or her. So this is my purpose. But actually, what makes people subscribe you on your channel is not how the subscribers count you have, but it's the content itself. So if you are creating a good content videos, then for sure people or viewers would subscribe you because of your content. But anyhow, I just do some experimentation in here. What will be, what will happen when you hide your subscribers, or you would just show up. So it's also good that you would show your subscribers. So it means you are proud that your channel is growing um, slowly by slowly. So, but anyhow, you can just turn it on and turn it off. So without further ado, let's get started.